Welcome back, family and friends, to Wally's Smoke Shack. We have a guest tonight. This is my grandson, Logie. He's going to help assist. Tonight we're going to have a G Triple T sandwich. That is the garlic Texas toast turkey sandwich. And here's some of our ingredients tonight. We're already going to have the Texas toast with garlic already put on it. You see that? So I don't have to butter any garlic on there. Got some pickles. Turkey. This is smoked turkey. You can get this up at your local grocery store. We have some diced onions. Mild cheddar cheese. Of course, we got to have the Dukes. Okay guys, we're going to head down to the Smoke Shack, put this sandwich together, come back and have some dinner. We'll see you then. Alright, let's get started on these sandwiches. Come on over here a minute. We got the old griddle already heated up. So I want to keep one side hot and the other side I want to keep less hot. I want to keep this side over here for warming, this side over here for cooking, and I'll show you why here as we get going. Okay? First thing I'm going to do, get me out a little bit of olive oil. Let's make a nice little spot right here. Let's get these onions on. Okay. Then I'll make another spot over here. Turkey. Let's just get this lunch meat put on here. A nice little sizzle. I'm going to make about 3 sandwiches out of these. Okay? We're going to get this all warmed up. I'll take my fancy little chopper. I'm going to chop up this meat. This meat is nice smoked turkey. Now you don't want to leave this stuff on too long because you'll dry it out. So get it on there, get it warm. And this is why we have our low cool side over here. Brown up a little bit. Get our onions all nice and darkened up. Starting to smell pretty nice. Let's get this darkened up a little bit. I'll get the meat moved over and stuff, and we'll show you step 2. Alright, come over here and check this out, guys. We're going to have 3 sandwiches tonight. I'm going to make enough for 3. So I got me 3 piles here. I'm going to keep this over here on my warm side while my onions still cook. We're going to get these darkened up. Now you don't have to use onions. You can use whatever you want for your sandwich. Just want to keep that darkened up. You want to get that in order. And then we're going to throw some cheese on here. And we'll be back here in a minute. See where we're at. Guys, we're back. We're going to go ahead and put some cheese on this. I'm using some mild cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you want. What you want to do is just throw this on here. Okay? Cover it up good. It's going to be acting like a binder almost as well. Not only just taste, but a binder. It's going to hold this sandwich together. Okay? Get that cheese on there. Looking good. I'm going to take our onions here, which is also looking nice, about done. We're going to put this over here to the warming tray. Put everything over here until we're ready to put the sandwich together. Now, Texas toast. These don't look very big. You can use any size you want. I picked these because they were quick in the supermarket. They've already got the garlic on it, which is nice. We're just going to throw this right on the grill. The only thing we're going to do in here is just get them dark on the sides. You don't want them burnt. Just get them browned up, flip them around, and then we're going to slap all of our stuff together. In the meantime, we'll see you here in a few minutes. All right, let's start putting these sandwiches together. Come on over here, I'll show you how to get this on. We got our cheese, we have our lunch meat, and our onions, which is already done. These are browning up nice. We're gonna make sure our temperature's down a little bit. Here's all you do. Just put these right on here. Ain't nothing going to be clean either. This is sloppy cooking today. But you know something, the sloppy cooking is going to be really super good. Okay, I'm going to throw our onions here. My wife don't like onions, which is fine. We're going to leave that one clear. Throw a little one on here. Okay. Take our bread. Try not to burn yourself like I am. Slap that on there. Folks, here you have it. Easy, quick meal. Nothing to it. Now I want you to come on over here and take a look at these. Let me grab a knife. Alright, I'm smelling this. I'm getting really hungry. Let's cut one of these open and see how it looks. Folks, you can see the cheese in there. You got your garlic bread. You got your lunch meat. This is a quick, easy meal. Like I said, it probably took 20 minutes if that. You know, you want to get something cooked on a Monday, Wednesday night, or even a lunch on Sunday. However you want to do it. Check this out and see what you can do with it. Now, my next cooks that are coming up, I got a brisket coming up. I got a cowboy ribeye steak coming up. And I also have a turkey that I want to brine and smoke. Even though we're a few months away from Thanksgiving, but we're going to learn how to do that as well. We'll see how we can get this done before Thanksgiving. I'll see you next time at Wally's Smoke Shack.